Hello, hi, and welcome to Fact Today with me, my Lotsu. So today's Fact Today revolves around a Spanish researcher. Her name is Federica Bertuccini. Probably butchered that name, sounds a little bit like an opera singer. But anyway, this isn't even part of her research. So she's just got a beehive because she likes beehives. And she was at her beehive once, recently, I'm not sure how long ago. And she basically was tending the beehive and she found these waxworms. Now, if you don't know, waxworms, they eat wax in beehives, which they're bad news bears. We don't like them over here. So she got loads of waxworms, she put them into a plastic bag, then she looked after the beehive, tended to it, did whatever she needed to for it. Then she went away to pick up the waxworms in the plastic bag, and the waxworms had eaten through the plastic bags. And she said, like, she could have just gone, oh, waxworms, chuck them. But she actually looked at it and she said, oh, these waxworms have eaten through the plastic bag. I wonder if waxworms can eat plastic. At that point, that was the biggest game changer of her life. She said, I wonder if they can eat plastic. So what she did was she got loads of waxworms, mashed them all up, and then she spread the remains over plastic. And she found that that ate through the plastic. So there are enzymes in the waxworms which are actually eating through the plastic. How much of a huge difference is that going to make? So, the plastic is made of polyethylene, and the plastic breaks down to a substance called ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol we find in antifreeze and stuff like that. But ethylene glycol is an organic compound. It biodegrades, it breaks down very easily, it's non-toxic in aquatic environments. So this, you're going from polyethylene, which is horrible and nasty and doesn't ever break down, to a substance which is biodegradable, an organic compound that breaks down. And she did this just by mistake, just by thinking, oh, maybe this happens. And it does. And the enzymes in the waxworms break down plastic 1,400 times faster than bacteria does. That is absolutely phenomenal, and I'm super excited for it. So look out in the future, we could be breaking down plastic. Okay, that's it from me. See you later. Love you, bye. Love you, bye. Love you, bye.